Hello, Professor. Today I will be demonstrating a search in the SCOPUS database on the topic of language and media. Specifically, I want to find an article about the impact of social media and language change under the context of globalization. Now I will show you how I search the article I want. We need to click Advanced Document Search. Keywords appears in the search string. I use 4 techniques. First, I use field code title ABSK. This code restricts my search to articles where my keywords appear in title, abstract, and keywords field. It's a useful way to ensure that I find articles highly relevant to my topic. Second, I use phrase searching. I include social media in quotation marks. This keeps the term intact so that articles must contain social media as a phrase rather than treating social and media as separate words. Third techniques I use is a wild card. I write globalization with an asterisk in the place of S or Z. This wildcard allows Scopus to pick up both globalization with Z and S. I think this helps me capture all relevant articles regardless of regional spelling differences. Last, I use one of the Boolean operator AND to connect each of these concepts: social media, globalization, language. This operator ensures that Scopus can search only article containing all 3 terms. Okay, now let's click search to see how many articles appeared. Okay, 97 documents were found. I think now we come to part 2. We can see the first article is titled Social, Economic and Demographic Factors Derive the Emergency of English Code Mixing on Social Media. It seems that the word in yellow is highly relevant to my topic. Now let's click it to see more information. Okay, the article is authored by Singapton Anya, Das Soham, Akhtar Shade, Chakraborty Tamoy, and this article was published in a journal called Humanities and Social Science Communications. Now let's see the abstract. We can see from the abstract that the article examines the rise of English on social media. As globalization and social media expand, they influence how people interact across cultures, fostering linguistic blendings. The study reveals that various socio-economic and demographic factors play a significant role in adoption of English, particularly on platforms like Twitter. Now it's changed its name as X. It also shows that English has been growing at a steady rate, highlighting how digital platforms are increasingly reshaping language use. Overall, I believe this article has a high relevance to language and media, one of the field in current issue in language studies, because the article explores how media and digital communication platforms are accelerating language change and creating new language varieties. The emergency of English on social media represents a broader trend of code mixing driven by globalization and digital interactions. I think if I want to find find articles on this topic, this article will help me know this field a lot. Yes, that's all the things I want to present. Thank you, Professor.